Hi John, I hope you're keeping well. This is Saoirse O'Donovan from your 4th year mobile app development module. So I'm now just going to walk you through my assignment 2 application. This is a Kotlin application that makes use of Jetpack Compose. And I decided to make a weather application called Weather Ready. So I just have this little kind of explanation blurb here. So wondering what the weather is like at any location across the globe, always running out of activities to do when the weather switches up. Start planning different activities for a variety of weather situations now so that you are always weather ready. As the kind of description gives away, it's a weather application where you can get current weather details for what different weather conditions at any location across the globe, and then perform a variety of CRUDL operations, essentially just to make a list of different activities that you can do based on the weather condition. So I'll just get started here and go from my welcome page to the screen. So in the screen, I'll just demonstrate quickly. This is a Scaffold top app bar, and I can navigate back to the original screen here. And this is a floating action button that's also done using Scaffold, basically just to provide more of a, user-friendly layout on the screen for navigation. Yet NavHost is still used with Compose in the background for all of the navigation. So now on this screen, I can provide a location into this text field. So essentially what I'll do here when I click send request is that a request will be sent to a weather API, and this is done using Retrofit, which makes the HTTP call to the API and also supplies it with my API key that I got when I signed up on the Weather API website. So I'll just throw in maybe Cork and I'll send the request, and then I get this response. So here I have a little image, and this is grabbed basically using the Coil library and Remember Image Painter, which is used to load the image from the provided image URL, which displays it. And this is all gotten from the weather response object that exists in the code. And then down here we have just a variety of little details about the weather. So in Cork currently the weather is moderately raining. This is the local time, and it's currently 11 degrees Celsius out. However, it feels like 7.4 degrees Celsius. The gust speed right now is 58.5 kilometers per hour, so it's necessary to take precautions when going outside. And the UV index is 1, so you can ditch the sun protection if you'd like. These kind of responses here will change depending on the how high the gust speed is, or how high the UV index is, or how low it is, etc. Then you can click on the floating action button to go to the next view. So essentially here, this is where I can kind of organize my activities and clear the list, and I can upload more and stuff on the next page. But essentially this is all working in the background with the room database, so persistence is provided. So that's why I have all of these details currently in my application is being provided by the database, and the lazy layout is used to make the application scrollable like this. So I'll go ahead and I'll add a new activity. So I'll say go for a run. Maybe. And if we, if it's not icy, a run would be great. So that's another activity. I can add the activity, and then down here I can see that it was added as index 39. And then I won't clear the list just yet. I'll just navigate to the next page. And here I can update and delete my activity. So this is for deleting a single activity by using the activity ID, whereas the clear list will remove every input into that's currently in the database. So here maybe I want to update the activity at 33, that index. So I'll input 33 and I can maybe change it to don't go shopping, because it's currently go shopping. So I'll change it to don't go shopping. If it's storming outside, don't go shopping. And when I click update activity, I'll then see that index 33 changed from go shopping to don't go shopping, like the change we made. And then maybe I just don't want index 33 there at all, so I'll input that one here and I can delete that activity, and now index 33 is gone. Maybe I also don't want to play bingo and maybe I've done it already. I can put in index 36 and then I can delete that activity and that disappears as well. So on this view I don't have the floating action button anymore, just because this is the last of the 4 views. But I can still go back to my previous ones and we can see that it's persistent, and the 2 indexes 33 and 36 that we deleted in the previous view are also gone from here, and I can also clear the entire list. So that is essentially my entire project. I have also added my build.gradle, the module app equivalent contents, to the template file that's also attached, just in case that's not added, but hopefully it is present on GitHub. But it is possible it could just be the project build Gradle. So I just added it there just in case, and I thankfully got the majority of the functionality done, yet I unfortunately didn't have enough time to implement all of the functionality that's listed on the rubric. But yeah, I really enjoyed this assignment, and thank you very much for all your help during the year. So yeah, thank you.